a simple query. Selecting the table for the query.
Let's do it. To create a query from a table, click on the Create tab, click on the Query Design button. The Show Table dialog box opens. Select the table from which you want to extract the information. Click on the Add button. Click on the Close button when done. Adding fields and criteria to a query. Now you will get a query window. You will see the fields of the added table or tables in the upper portion and the query grid in the lower portion. You can add fields to display and criteria for the query in the grid. You can add all fields of a table or selective fields of a table in your query. Adding all fields. If you want to add all the fields of the table in your query, double-click on the asterisk that is displayed at the top of the list where the field names are listed. Adding selective fields. In the query grid from the field drop-down list, select the field to add. You can repeat this step to add more fields. Adding the criteria to the query. You can add a certain criteria so that only those records which meet the specified criteria are displayed. Place the cursor in the field for which you want to set the criteria and type the condition for which you want to obtain the results. Saving the query. Now save the query so that it can be executed later. Click on the Close button of the query window. You will be prompted to save your query with a name in Save As box. Enter a name for the query. Click on the OK button. Your query will be saved with the given name. You can see it in the navigation pane. Saving the query. Executing the query. The query name will appear in the navigation pane. You need to execute the query to see the output. Double-click on the query name in the navigation pane and you will see the output of the query. Double-click here, Query in the navigation pane, Query result.